Okay guys, so punta muna kami sa aking sa my mama's house, bahay ng mama ko. You know, doon muna kami mag-breakfast. Alright, so si wifey magda-drive, first time siya, kinakabahan siya. So she's been driving here before. So tingnan natin. Tingnan, ignorante na. Hindi na niya alam. Nakadrive, matagal. When was the last time you drove here, ma? 2012 last niya drive dito guys, so you know. So way back again, for history lang, itong Robinson's Place dati guys, plain talaga to, as in patag to nung wala. Para siyang dati pag merong mga swap meet or pag fiesta dito. Ngayon talagang na-develop na nila. So ang dito guys, as you know, ang Pilipino mahilig magpunta ng mall, no? Ang kagandahan dito sa mall dito guys, pag Sunday, meron parang mass.
Right na
left. Merong kuan dito. Merong yung parang misa pag tuwing Sunday sa mall. So saan ka nakakita ng mall na may mass, no? Ang natatandaan kong place before was way back here. There's Lechon House. Yeah, I remember that. Tingnan nyo guys, and the way the driving way dito, tingnan nyo. Mantay sa motor sa right, ha. Jollibee guys, hindi mawawala. Sige, diretso.
Yan, hindi close.
Open naman daw niya dapat. Sige, diretso.
See, what are you doing?
Sure. Unsa kina siya sa una de?
Which one?
This one? This is not Excelsior. This is Lianhong. No. This is a store before. I remember that place. Yan. Left tayo dito guys. Ito, naalala ko rin tong building na to. Gonzales, may the building din to. Way back. Dito all over the place guys. Hindi pwedeng walang Dunkin Donuts. Nakuha na namin yung mga kuha namin noon, no. Dito guys, busina is legal. Okay? So may narinig kayong mga busina, it's legal. Hindi to offensive. Unlike here, sa atin nakasanayan. Ako nga first time nag-drive ako kapon. Oh, you have to blow the horn. Okay, blow the horn. Dito kasi kailangan mga motorcycles, no. Kailangan magsabato ka talaga. Yeah. Wala sila eh. They don't care. Tapos mga pedestrian pa nakatayo lang sa daan, no. Tingnan nyo guys, mga wala. Tingnan yung mga motorcycles guys. They're like all over.
So where you
all the way.
All the way?
Uy, kumakabalo ka.
No, after dire, di ba mula
next.
Mula.
We'll see. Tao na to. Was it here? Yeah, okay. Akit kami guys. Kasi you have to be careful also guys, kasi walang mga proper signage dito guys. So by the heart lang talaga ang memorize mo kung saan ka galing. Overtaking na day. Si ba ito overtaking? Hindi ka pwedeng magkuhan dyan, maghintay. Alright. Si ba ito? Si ba ito overtake? Yun, kailangan magsibato ka para mag-overtake ka. So they'll know. Kasi mga motorcycle talaga guys, again, they don't care. Yeah, kasi feeling nila sila right away. It's fun, but you know, practice lang. Para sanay naman to si wifey. Kailangan niya warm up. Kailangan niya practice. Ako tingnan mo si wifey. Aga, ano masabi mo? Pero normally ako magda-drive eh. Pinakuan lang niya ako kasi magbi-video daw ako.
Yung ma-offer ko.
Drive lang. Kasi ayan yung mag-videography. Ayan. Look at the dogs guys, so cute. So kung pwede ko lang i-adapt yan lahat. Look at them, they're just in the street. They don't care. They keep on breeding. You know, kasi ang practice dito sa Pilipinas guys, not like here in the States. They're in the States, na talagang they take care of the pets, the dogs, the animals, you know. So you can see a lot of stray dogs, stray cats. Wala. I don't know where they get their food. I feel bad, you know. Only if I can just adapt all of them. But, you know, animal lover ka, very emotional ka. Huwag kang tumingin. You can't look, just masasaktan ka lang. That's true. And then if I'm lying ko talaga, sabi, you know, wala kang makikita mga aso. I don't think so. You'll see it all around. Alright, so ito na kami guys sa aking although hindi ako lumaki sa bahay na to guys. Hindi ako lumaki because I grew up in a different house. Pero, you know, ito ang bahay ng mama ko. Tapos when nagpunta ako sa States, tapos bumili sila itong bahay na to. Actually, they bought it from my cousin din. And then, you know, they develop. And now, nung nakatira ko doon, itong mga auntie ko, dinevelop din nila. And, you know, appreciated na talagang they took care of my parents' house. Alright? So, tingnan nyo. Ganito ang daan sa amin, guys. It's very small. You know. Walang division, walang proper line. Taon dito. Una day, una. Oh, unahan lang. Oh, tatabi siya, alusutin ka. Ganito lang dito, guys. Oh. Lasad gamay. Tingnan mo yung bike, ha? Okay.
No, ito siya dapat dito siya.
I know. Pero it's not gonna work the right of way. There's no such thing as right of way here. Okay, dito kami, guys. Ito yung aming old house. Carbideville. Yun. Sa bato lang para makabak. Oh, down. Dari. Basta pala na. Diya na. Okay, guys. So, dito na kami sa Carbideville. Yan. Check yung bahay niya, guys. It's old. Ano? It's old.
Init na dahil kaayo.
Yan, no? Yan. Ito bahay. Typical, no? Typical ng mga bahay sa Pilipinas. Ito bahay namin. Simple lang siya, guys. Palit kong load! Palit kong load, be! Palit kong load! Yan, ganyan guys. Bumili kayo ng load, ganyan. Tingnan nyo. Sasalubungin kayo ng magandang greetings. Pisting yata yun! Yan. Ito bahay namin, guys. Old, very old, but very nice. Nicely kept. There you go. Look, check that. Check that out. Init. Hindi, nagdala may pagkaon, no?
Bukaan mo? Ano nga pa kayo si Boy?
Oo, ba?
Lingkod siya.
Nagdala ko sisig, te.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ay, lamig yung tulog. So, na-preserve talaga nila yung bahay ng mama ko, guys. Ganda, oh. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Check nyo, guys. Gusto nyo uminom, may bar dito, guys. Yan, may bar dito. Ito laundry area nila. Yan. Day! Yan, may bar, oh. Oh, guys, when I was still young. Yan, guys, that's me when I was young. Yan. Ito kwarto, master's bedroom. Yan. Dito, oh. Yan si Ate Isit. Yan, oh. So meron tong taas pinabuhat. Okay, tingnan ko, guys. Pinaayos nila to way back. I don't know kung kaya ko ba akitin to. Ito yun, guys, mga muluman namin mga gamit. Oh, may kwarto pa rin dito. Ito parang balcony. Yan. Maganda, guys, paggagawa. Parang na-renovate nila tong bahay. And it's really nice. Yeah, although luma ng mga gamit, but it's still okay. Yeah, I remember this place. I remember this mga gamit dito, guys. So, looking for my old toy. Saan ba nilagay yung mga matchbox ko, guys? Kasi may mga matchbox ako. Ito. Yan, mga matchbox ko, guys. Nawawala yung hinahanap ko yung truck. Yun talagang pinaka-valuable, wala na yata. But it's okay. Diyan na lang yan. Hindi ko nagalawin yan. Those were my old toys. Yeah, yun, oh. Yung mga laruan ko, guys. Laruan ng ate ko. Tingnan nyo. Yeah. Mahilig sila mag-collect dito, guys. Ayaw magtapon, mag-hoard. So, good thing. Yung mga collection ng mga toys namin noon. Bata pa kami. Ayan. Kasi may natulog sa taas dali lang.
Di-off lang mo gabi.
guys.
Si Father Judel, purpose rami, kay doon ra. Istabiya na mo iaton.
Makain sila eh.
Ako pa aton. Friend,